Oh, Jaff. So when you look back over this week of Laughter Area Teacher Training, what's the most important thing you take away with you?
The friendships that have been developed and the connections that we've created just over a very, very short time.
I feel gratitude for having the opportunity of being here, meeting the people and sharing this experience with you all. So thank you.
Joy, gratitude, the connections, the friendship, and just in awe of what has happened.
For me, it's making not just people who I've been training with, but 6 new friends that are there to actually drive the true meaning of laughter yoga forward. And that's what we're going to all be doing, working together to actually make the improvements that it needs.
In addition to what all my friends have already said, I'd like to add, one of the most important things I've learned is the importance not just of laughter. We've learned that certainly, and we knew that before we're coming, but the importance of laughing every day. Every day. Every day. We started here at 7 o'clock every day laughing. And that has changed my world and really tumbled it upside down, because it really helps integrate what we've learned into, well, all the cells of my body. So I'm grateful for that.
Thank you.
I'm grateful to be here. I'm really glad I've done the course. Met a great bunch of people who I think will be friends for a very long time and help support each other to drive Laughter Yoga free. So I'm really looking forward to the next stages and changes that are going to occur in the future.
It's not only about laughter, there's so much more depth to it. Discovered I could breathe in different ways. Ocean breathing. So yeah, so much stuff linked to laughter.
Yeah.